Welcome back to the channel and happy weekend if it's a weekend with you. Today I go to the kitchen and make some Italian food. Some of my viewers from Italy maybe laugh at me, but it's okay. I will make Denmark versus Italia. Now we lost to you in football, but today we win. I will make Bruschetta. Follow me to the kitchen. We start right now. I use 3 small pieces of garlic. I chop up in small pieces. And after that it's time for 2 small shallot onions. I do the same after I clean them. I chop them up in small pieces. After the onion, it's time for the small tomatoes. Here in my country we call them cherry tomatoes because they are so small. After I cut the tomatoes, now I mix it all up with salt and pepper. Now I cut the ciabatta bread, so it's ready to go into the oven. To do the bread crispy, I use a good quality of olive oil. It was hard to say. And after the oil, now it's time come to put the mix on the bread with tomato and the 2 kind of onion. Now it's time again for the oil. I put oil on the tomatoes. Now it's time for the basil. I don't have fresh, so I use the dry one. After 15 minutes, bread is finished. Now the bread is finished. Come on and let's eat. That was the recipe for today. I hope you liked it and enjoyed to look at it. If you do, give it a thumbs up. You do it over here. And if you not have subscribed yet, do it over here on the red button. Click the red subscribe button so it be great. It costs not anything to subscribe, but you do a big favor to do. Thanks for today. See you next time in the next video.